Hey guys, welcome back to another Divinium Saber demo. Today we're showing off a Goth-3Designs Lord Vader chassis featuring sterling silver and brass that have been aged and weathered. Kill switch at the bottom with a handful of pixels. One pixel illuminates the vents, another pixel kind of goes above the speaker and creates a nice little ring there, which is super cool. We've got a strip of pixels with some honeycomb mesh and foam diffusion up top, and of course, removable battery via magnetic hatches. The battery won't be shipped with the hilt, but be sure to use a high amp battery like this 15 amp Keep Power. Beautiful chassis. The LEDs are awesome. The battery hatch closing is so satisfying. And of course, the board cover is magnetic. We got our pixel strips and USB access. You can access the SD card if you shuffle the LEDs around a little bit. This build has a really cool red OLED that I've applied some weathering to the edges of to make it look gritty and worn in. To install the chassis, you're going to first start by loosening the pommel. I've sped this up so it doesn't take too long on video, but it does take a little while in person. Loosen the bottom screw on the back box here, and then you're going to slide in the chassis and wiggle it around until you feel it click and seat. You'll be able to press the button and you'll feel the spring action there. Once the chassis is properly seated, screw in the bottom screw to hold the chassis in place. Derek Organ designed this pommel adapter plate that helps sandwich the chassis in with the MPP pommel. It's a really awesome design, and props to him for sending over the files. I really appreciate it. And props to Shane for designing an amazing MPP blade holder. Shane from Dagobah Swamp. Pommel is screwed back on. Hilt is fully functional. And man, does it feel amazing to ignite this saber. You really feel like Vader. The silver thumb screw is the blade and blade plug retention. The blade plug is conductive, so be careful putting it back in. You don't want to short out the pins. I would recommend turning the saber off before putting the blade plug in, but if you're careful, you know. That's all for this demo. Thanks for watching, and may the Force be with you.